In one of my videos, I made how you can just gain a lot of traffic on Monetag. So if you don't know Monetag, today is a big opportunity for you to know a lot about Monetag, how you can start generating money from Monetag or generating revenue from Monetag. What is smart link? What is traffic? How do I earn traffic and how do I generate my smart link or direct link on Monetag? So I'm going to show how you can create an account, how you can go by all this and a lot of stuff. But please note, I'm no way a financial advisor. I just share stuff which works perfectly for me on my YouTube channel. If today happens to be your first time coming across my channel, kindly tap on the subscription button to subscribe to the channel, like it, and leave any comment or any question pertaining to Monetag or how to make money online under the comment section. All what I do is to make money with you. I only make videos on how to make money online. That's all. So what is Monetag at all? Now, in simpler terms, let me just put it in this way. Now, you can open your website right now. You go to a particular domain, you search in something, and then you see some ads popping up on your mobile device or on your laptop. These ads are generated by someone, and these ads are also gaining revenue for someone. This is basically a basic or simple idea, and let me say a brief idea about Monetag smart links. Okay, so I'll be helping you to know a lot of stuff. But then, if you know Astera, if you know Health of Us, if you know Google AdSense, and then add Monetag in addition for you to earn a lot of revenue each and every month. So what is Monetag? So basically, Monetag is a platform that helps publishers optimize their traffic and increase revenue opportunities by providing tools such as smart links that direct users to the most relevant information or relevant offers. Okay, so basically smart links works with Monetag. Okay, so Monetag is going to help you generate a smart links, and this smart links is also going to generate a lot of revenue for you depending on a particular traffic that you are associating yourself with. Okay, so someone asked me, what is traffic? So basically, traffics in Monetag refers to the flow of visitors or users to a publisher's website or content. So in this case, we are taking Monetag to be our website. Okay, so you are taking Monetag to be your website, and therefore you are going to introduce visitors or users to your website. So the more visitors you are gaining, the more you are earning a lot from Monetag. That is Monetag. But note, Monetag traffic is a crucial factor in Monetag as it directly impacts the potential for generating revenue through advertising, affiliate marketing, and a lot. Also note that the more traffic a publisher can attract to their site, the greater the opportunity to earn income through various channels. So the more you generate a lot of traffics, the more you gain a lot of revenue in your Monetag account. So depending on the traffic. Now, traffic basically means, let me say, you put it in a simpler terms that it is a CPM working based program. Okay, so someone might be in the US, someone might be in Africa here. So basically, Ghana or Nigeria, the higher traffic you might get is 0.01 cent. But somewhere the European countries, somewhere US, Canada, and a lot of countries out there, if your link is placed there and someone tap on the link, the amount of fund that you're going to generate is going to be different from the person clicking on the link currently in Africa here, because they have a lot or a higher traffic or higher CPM traffic out there. So you are going to earn a lot of revenue from that aspect. So it is very necessary to target your audience basically from the European countries or basically from the uptowns. Okay, because currently in Ghana or Nigeria or any African country, you're going to receive a low amount of revenue if they click on your link. So someone asked me, what is direct link or smart link? Now, direct link or smart link is basically a dynamic thing on Monetag. So it is a self-optimization link that automatically directs users to the most relevant offers based on their location, devices, and other parameters. So depending on the person's location, when your smart link or direct link is placed at a particular social media, Facebook, Instagram, or anywhere, once a person from US click on it, the amount of revenue you're going to get is different from a person clicking on your link from Ghana here. Okay, so it's very important to target audience from a higher CPM countries. Very, very necessary. By doing so, you can just do that on Facebook or any other social media platform in order for you to gain a lot. So basically, this is a whole idea about Monetag. But then let me show you how you can create an account, how you can generate your smart link and publish it to others in order for you to earn a lot of money on Monetag. So this basically, once you open the website, you can check under the description. There is a link there. Tap on it. It will take you here. If not, you can go to your website and type in www.monetag.com and you all land at the same page. Okay, so once you get here, all you have to do here is just click on the sign up button here. Once you click on the sign up button here, this is the overview. You can see personal data, details, individual and company, but I will advise you to go in for individual sake. So you have to enter your name here. So maybe this is my name. All right, so this is my name here. You have to provide a valid email number, email address. So this is my email I'm using here right now. So you have to enter a valid and strong email because you are going to receive a notification for you to confirm your account on. So please make sure to provide a valid email and country of residence. Say currently I'm in Ghana here, so have to provide in Ghana. So you can just go in and select or choose any country you are currently in right now. All right, so currently I am in Ghana, so I'll select Ghana from this option. So you type in the city. So let's say I'm in Sunyai. Okay, and then the address, let's say I'm Full Street. All right, so a street name or anything like that. All right, so you can provide a contact list here. So make sure you can, this is optional, but then it's very important for you to provide any of your social media handles, either WhatsApp, they will send you a link, or you can chat with any of the customer service out there. You can also provide your nickname, of which you can be used on your website, but then you can provide your mobile phone number for verification sake. Click on continue. The most important aspect here is what do you want to monetize. Okay, so basically we are focusing on social traffics, so basically on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, on TikTok, anywhere. All right, so what you have to do here is to just click on the social traffic. If you have a website too, you can go in for a website and enter your domains into the website, but then we are much focused on the social traffic, that is monetize your social media posts, reels, shorts, TikTok and other content with our direct links. So I'll go in for social traffics. So tell us about your audience. Okay, so how you generate traffic. Okay, tell us about your audience. So about, so you have to say about 50k 50k followers on Facebook, all right, so 50k followers on Facebook. All right, so what do you hear? Where do you hear about? How do you hear about? So let's say YouTube. I hear about you guys on YouTube. Currently, we are hearing about this on YouTube. So just subscribe to the channel. So on YouTube right now here. So what other ads network, affiliate marketing, or monetization platform do you currently work with? So I can say I currently work with Astera. All right. So I can currently say I work with Axtera or Google AdSense. You can put in any of that. So you say, what tool do you use to get monetized traffic? It's an optional thing. So click on accept and then click on I'm not a robot and click on the sign up button here. But please make sure not to use a multiple account. It is written down here. Do not use or don't use a multiple account. So please just click on I'm not a robot out there and then verify yourself I'm not a robot and click on sign up button there. It's very important to choose the where do you want to monetize. Make sure on social traffic. That means we are going to share our links on social traffics a lot. So this is basically how you can sign up or you can create an account on Monetag. But right now I have a demo account, so I'll sign up with my demo account. and then sign or log into my demo account in order for us to know how we can generate our smart link. So I'll go on and enter my password here and sign in for this particular account. All right, so once you just sign in or create an account, this is the overview of the account here. So you can see statistics, sites, 100 app, API, direct link, payment, earning, insight, and a lot. So you can also refer others to as well. So in order for you to generate a link here, all you have to do is to just click on the direct link. All right, so once you click on the direct link and then you select or you just click on add direct link, as you can see over here, it will automatically create a direct link for you. So you can see currently I have 6 links here. All right, you can see I have 6 links here. So once I tap on direct link, it is going to create one for me, which is going to add it to 7. You can see at the top here, direct link has been created in order for me. So all you have to do is to just copy your link here. I've already made a video on that, so I would just leave it in the description in order for you to share your link or in order for you to distribute your link so that you can get a high traffic on your Monetag account here. So this is my demo account. I've already said that I'm not going to show my current or my actual account in order to see the balance out here. Okay, so I will never talk about that. So you can go on and just do this with ease. All right, so in other way around, you can also make earnings on websites, on Android apps sites here. So here is site. If you have a particular site, you can just go on and just click on our site. They will ask you to input your domain and then you are good to go. So add your website URL and just get yourself verified. So you can just put it here and then you are good to go, and you click on add site, and that one is going to help you earn a lot of revenue on Monetag. Okay, so Monetag actually works just like Astera, if you know Astera. So I'll make a video on Astera, Monetag on, and Monetag too as well. So all you have to do is to just stay tuned on this particular channel, subscribe, leave all your questions and suggestions in the comment section, and I'll take time to answer each and every one. Yes, so you can join my Telegram and my WhatsApp group. Both links can be found under the description of this particular video. There I teaches a lot of stuff on how you can make money online, not only Monetag and Axtara, but a lot of ways you can earn money online. Okay, so this is basically how you can create an account on Monetag. My next video is going to be how you can share your smart link in order for you to gain high traffic, high CPM, in order to gain a lot of revenue on Monetag for free. So this one doesn't involve any investment, it's just dedication of time, and then I'll be helping you in doing everything you have to know on Monetag. My name is Henry, and all what I do on my channel here is to make money with you. Just subscribe to the channel, like it, and leave a nice comment. I hope to see you in my next video.